Hello everyone, I am back with another giveaway entry video. This one is for Lockpicking's Gals Pick Me a Lock giveaway, and what I have here is a really small dollar store secure padlock. It's a little 4-pin core. Works really nicely. I don't know why I like this lock. I just think it's kind of a cool little lock with a tiny little core. I'm gonna give it a try first with some top of the keyway tension. And Sparrow's 20 thousandths offset hybrid hook. I'm not at home with my usual setup, so things are going to look a little bit different here. Hopefully nobody minds. I haven't got my cool graphics or anything, my whiteboard art, Sparrow sticker, etc. But when you can't have your normal setup, you go with what you can do. So there you go, there's an open. That was really quick. So I'm going to play around with it a little bit more. I will use bottom of keyway tension. Pretty much fills the entire keyway with the smallest tension wrench, but because the bitting on the key is pretty basic, should work fine. Gonna also use the same hook. And there's an open with bottom of keyway. And just for the hell of it, I'll pick it one more time with Sparrow snake rake. Okay, there's a third open. So there you have it. Cool little lock. Opens really easy. I hope you guys enjoyed. Once again, thanks for watching.